How to get free gifts on Temu. Getting free gifts is one of Temu's ways of expressing appreciation in its users for using the app, and here's how we can claim them. First things first, you have here the new user gift. You can go ahead and click this one right here. So yep, you can go ahead and basically claim this one just like so. Just go ahead and click where it says grab for free. I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Alright, and I got $10 coupon. That's awesome, right? So this one right here is my coupon bundle, and in order for me to get it, I have to buy 2 items. But first things first, let's go ahead and close this because there is actually more. Alright, down here below you have here earn credits and free gifts. If you don't see it, just go ahead and click the U down here or your profile, and then you have it here. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. Basically, if you click that one earlier and this one, it's going to be the same thing. Yeah, what we're going to see is the same thing. So first things here is 5 or 0 items. Let's go ahead and click get 5 for 0 items. Alright, there you go. So welcome to free gifts program. So this is gonna be your first get them free. Now I'm going to go ahead and spin this one just like so. Sweet, so we got diamond. So we have diamond reward, all items free for you. Alright, and then this time we're going to go ahead and try to pick. I'm gonna choose the center one or the middle one. Alright, 2 free gifts each round, so I think that's really awesome. Okay, so we can now select any of the following for $0. How awesome is that? So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through here. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and claim this power strip. I'm going to go ahead and click pick first. Alright, I'm gonna choose white for example, and then click pick the gift just like so. Alright, there you go. So now it is for free, and we're going to go ahead and try to choose the second one. Okay, so I have my eyes on the second prize. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose black, and then click pick gifts and start inviting just like so. Okay, so by basically following all those steps, you are now redirected here. So basically what happened is that we have a total value of $15, and then what you're going to do is touch or basically do a little bit of games here and there, and then share the link or share Temu to friends of yours via messaging, your own messaging, and then Messenger, or basically any messaging app that you have on your phone, in order for you to get points. And the points that you are going to earn will be deducted to the total of your value. So in my case, it's $15 here. So I just click and do a lot of sharing here and there, and now you can see that I am down left with $1. So in order for me to get this one, or in order for me to get the last dollar, I need to invite friends of mine. So say for example, yeah, it's something like this. You can see that share the link, and then they're able to get the items. So yep, you can go ahead and share it. In my case, I've shared, but no one has accepted yet. That's why I'm a bit stuck in here. But basically, you have 24 hours in order to complete this one. And yep, once it's completed, it's yours, everybody. You get to keep this one. They'll be delivering it in your address. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. So yeah, again, if you want to unlock $100 coupon code, go ahead and click the link in the description box or the comment section below. You can also use my referral code in order for you to get a 30% discount. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.